It's currently 7:11 a.m. I'm up because I'm about to hit the gym. Yes, this is the real day in the life with the Samsung Galaxy S25. It is now 7:27. Took about 15 minutes to get ready. About to make up my bed here. And then I'm going to go ahead and reach on over here. Grab my bag because this has all my work clothes in it. Basically to change out for the gym. And then we'll be on our way in the car. And full disclaimer, if you guys can see, let's get a little bit more light here. What's going on? What's going on? Ooh. All right, so this is going to be a weird day, real day in the life for the Galaxy S25, mainly because I don't do a lot of recording with the S25 throughout the day. But what this will do is simulate battery life in terms of being able to see how long the phone lasts throughout the day. So when I first moved to Minnesota, because I'm back home in Minnesota, I'm in a new part of Minnesota, I had to use my Google Maps a lot, okay? But now that I know where I'm going in terms of work and the gym and all that, I don't use maps anymore. So this kind of simulates what it felt like being back in Minnesota and having to drain the phone throughout the day. All right, so just let you know that. And pretty much all the footage is going to be recorded from the Galaxy S25. I'm not bringing my Sony A7 III with me. This is straight from the Galaxy S25, so that way you guys can see and kind of feel what a full day looks like. Today, I go to work at 9:30, but of course I'm hitting the gym first. Then we're going to hit work. Then I'm pretty much done around 5 o'clock, and we'll see what I try to do for the rest of the day. All right, so let's continue the video. And we are in the car. Bag. My shoes on my way outside the gym, my protein shake to drink to the gym. And it's time to yag it. Time to go, finally. Bada boom, bada bang. Hopefully the workout's about 40-45 minutes at the most. Hit the sauna. And then we on to work, baby. Now I gotta find something to listen to on the way to work. It's like a 40-minute drive. Yes, I know. I gotta drive all the way to the city. Because my mom basically out here in the country. And why does the video seem like it's blurry? Is it just me or? This is the front-facing camera, so if y'all noticing the same thing, it seems like it's a little wonky. Let me know down in the comment section below, but I'm noticing the same thing. The video's a little
Average of the first 2 years. That's just the first year.
Is that just the main channel? Or
just the main channel?
Boy,
Yeah,
look at all that country.
Like 7 million.
I thought I was playing. I'm out here in the country.
All the different languages.
In the country.
Well.
Listening to Mr. Beast, Lewis Howes, great podcast, great episode.
It's the only way you get 200 million views of videos if one day you're getting
studying that YouTube, you know what I mean?
You establish the habit in their mind.
We have arrived to the gym, and as you also notice, the front-facing camera looks a whole lot better. So you just need a ton of light for this sensor for it to not look all kind of blurry-ish. So, as you guys can see, crunch, baby. Crunch fitness, baby. Yes. I've been here since, what, basically late October. Late October. I think like October 26th was when I officially signed up. I was working out for about a week or so before that. So about since like October 11th, 15th-ish, I've been at this gym. And I have to say that I have thoroughly enjoyed it. I'm specializing on the body right now, specializing the arms, because what guy isn't, right? But I still work out 5 days a week. So 3 of the days is arms, the other 2 days is the rest of the body, just to maintain and not lose any muscle. I tore my legs up yesterday. Whew. So that's what I'm doing. What does battery life look like right now? If I swipe down, we're at 90%. So it's been, what, an hour and 11 minutes. I've lost 10%. Not entirely bad, right? I've been doing some video shooting. If I wasn't doing a lot of video shooting, I'd probably be around like 94 to 95%. But as is, we're using this as kind of like a test to show when using the phone throughout the day, can it last? And so with the S25, the compact little fella, is it gonna be able to do the job? We're gonna find out as I go in here and work out. Woo! All right, working out is done. Drip is fresh on the work. I gotta open the store today and tomorrow, but I'm off half hour early today, which is great. If it doesn't rain here, because it looks like it's trying to, I'm gonna try to play some basketball. We're gonna see what happens. But other than that, great workout. The sauna felt good. I couldn't be in there as long because I was pressed on time, but the sauna caps off a good workout, I'm telling you, okay? Right now, let's see, the phone's been off the charger. We're at 82%, so we're looking at 2.5 hours off the charger right now. We've lost, what'd I say? We've lost 18%, a lot better. That's running Apple Music and Galaxy Fit 3, the Buds 3 Pro, you know, straining the S25, right, straining. So battery's starting to even out now. And then, what else? The recording of the videos. And having to deal with some storage issues, because that's one of the things I also wanted to talk about in this video as I pull off of this light here any second. The storage. I think it's safe to assume that 128 gigs of storage is no longer feasible for these devices. 256 gigs has to be the minimum, especially for a flagship device. If you're offering flagship specs or top of the line specs, including camera quality, video quality, that means it's gonna take up more storage. Now, aside from that, apps are bigger now. You have constant updates. We need more storage than just 128 gigs. So hopefully, next year will be the start of 256 gigs at minimum, because I don't know why Samsung, usually Samsung's a little better with storage. I don't know if they're trying to be like Apple, right? Trying to offer the bare minimum. But for flagship devices, got to have 128 gigs. Because while I was in the sauna, I was sitting there trying to figure out how to actually improve my storage, because I have like 5 to 6 gigs left. Like that's with some of the videos being recorded, but that just shows you I can't even like record segments like this without running out of space. So Samsung manufacturers out there, cut the 128 gig, leave that for budget, you know, devices. And even then, like, I guess it depends on how you're using your budget device, but I think 128 gigabytes might be obsolete now. We need, or insufficient I should say, we need 256 gigs of storage. So that's one point of contention, one aspect of the phone that I've noticed really today, but kind of throughout my use, gauging how much storage space I've been losing and or gaining, the way it fluctuates. 128 gigs is no more. And here we are, really pretty much the next day, but that's because the phone died on me, or was about to. I had about 2 to 3% left around 4:32 p.m. as of yesterday. So that was the real day in the life with the S25. Now, here's the problem. If you guys remember in the video, I said I had about 76% left. I literally drained 34-ish% in the span of like an hour and 15 minutes, all because of YouTube. It is so weird, this inconsistent YouTube drain. I think it's a bug more than anything, because today, I actually ran YouTube way longer today. And as you guys can see, I'm still sitting at 41%. Like, I still have plenty of battery life left on this device after running YouTube for most of the day. Pretty much the same routine. I didn't go to the gym this morning because my legs were too sore, and so I gave myself a day off. I'll be back, you know. No, I went to the gym. Yeah, you saw it in the video. I'm sorry, my days are getting mixed up. Today's Thursday. I didn't go to the gym today. I will be at the gym Friday. So I didn't have that as part of my routine today, but I was on YouTube as a result from basically 9:30 through about 5, 30-ish, and that's just streaming YouTube on Wi-Fi. And I didn't experience any weird battery drain this time from YouTube. So I don't know, my phone never reset, right, over the course of these couple days. Even if we come in here to device care, and let's see if I can find device care. I'm sorry, I don't know why my focus is tripping right now. If we come in here to device care, I can show you guys, I think. Let's see here. If we check out battery, will it show me? It used to be able to check out previous times, but for whatever reason, it doesn't allow you to do that anymore. But as you guys can see here today, 20% on the battery life. Not a huge problem today. If I could have showed you yesterday, especially in regards to the pattern of drain, you would have saw how it just plummeted. So it's very strange. So that has been the weird inconsistent day in the life when it comes to the S25. And you can now see the problems or frustrations I can have when it comes to battery life, specifically here with the Galaxy S25, because days like this, YouTube doesn't drain. There's no problems with the phone whatsoever. Then there's days like yesterday where I'm thinking I can showcase what I do, with the phone and what it's like going through a full day with the Galaxy S25, and then the phone doesn't last even half the day. So hopefully that gives you some perspective in terms of this phone being great otherwise, right? Just when it comes to battery life and YouTube specifically, this phone struggles, and I don't know how else to really solve it. Hopefully maybe it's just a YouTube update. Maybe it's a software update from Samsung. Maybe it's some weird Play Services issue. But jumping between shorts and long form content, no problems today. Now, the one caveat that did change a little bit was I didn't run video as much. I pretty much just had YouTube playing in the background with the screen off today. I still ran some video, but this time I didn't have as much video playing as I did yesterday. So I don't know if the displaying video over a period of time finally triggers some weird bug or some weird battery drain. That could be potentially it as well. So that's the only other that's the only other aspect of the control experiment, if you will, that I did tweak, and clearly there was a difference. So either way, I have not really quite experienced this issue long term, maybe here and there, but not in the way I've been experiencing it here on the Galaxy S25. But as you guys got to see the rest of the video, I pretty much, run the course of my day like that, and this phone typically lasts well. You guys got to see video footage because I ran pretty much everything outside of this video that you're watching now from the Galaxy S25, and that really kind of lets you know in the scope of quality you can get with the front-facing camera as well as the rear. Didn't use the rear as much. I really pretty much used the front-facing the entire time just so I could see how I was recording everything, whether it was in the gym or myself. So interesting to see there that the front-facing actually does pretty decent at 4K 30. I will have a camera video down the line, maybe next week, we'll see, because this video took a little bit of extra effort to do. I had fun with it, but it's definitely something I haven't done in a while. So if this is something you guys like to see as well, let me know down in the comment section below, because this is something I probably can bring to you guys a little bit more often with new devices, is some vloggy style content around reviewing and using, a new device, from that perspective. So again, the comment section is open for discussion. But again, as always, if you guys haven't already, make sure to ignite the like button, subscribe to the channel, the notification bell, so all free. That way you know some videos, so you and I can sit back, check, see who's cracking. And don't forget to hit that super things button down about a like and dislike button, Cash App and PayPal, and check the channel out for all the videos available to you. That's what to keep tech fresh and alive on this channel. But your man Micah signing out, and until the next video, wait for it.